Hello everyone, I'm Chang and we're back with another makeup tutorial, and today we will do a cute and soft Douyin makeup look. Let's go! First is skin prep. So this is the first time I'll do a makeup tutorial while talking in front of the camera, so please bear with me. And I also got a new lighting setup. Now we're gonna let it sit for a few minutes. While waiting, I'm going to put a lip balm just to prep and hydrate my lips. Next, I'm going to use a primer. I just got this, so it's also my first time using a primer. Just blurs out your skin. Now, before we do our foundation, I always do color correcting first. Put it on where my dark spots, dark circles are, and then blend. And we will proceed to the foundation. I'll be using this Dazzle Me Cover Me Serum Foundation in the shade N03. Use a spatula for even application. And now for the concealer, I'll be using this Sim Full Coverage Concealer. To conceal dark circles, just follow the steps that I'm doing. So we're doing this technique because we also want to highlight the middle part of our face. The nose bridge, tip of the nose, and the forehead. So you have to blend it immediately because it sets immediately on the skin. For the brows, use a brow mascara to lighten the brow. Since we are opting for a cute and soft Douyin makeup look, a softer brows will definitely elevate the whole makeup look. Then a micro tip ended liner to draw hair-like strokes. I almost forgot lenses, so I'll be using these lenses from Witty Lenses. Usually before I do my makeup, I always put lenses first. Just don't mind on how I put the lenses, by the way. And set your base with a powder. Just use any powder that you have. I will not be using a cool-toned contour palette. Instead, I'll be using this brown eyeshadow for my nose contour. Get a fluffy brush like this. If you have a wide area on your face like me on this part, we're gonna have to shift the attention on the center part of our face. So get a brown shade, not too dark and not too light. From this part, do a C-shaped contour. Do a C-shaped contour and then on the tip of the nose, do it like this. And connect it here. Then blend everything together. And that's how I do my nose contour. And now for the contour. Now I'll be using a cool tone palette. Now get a contour brush like this. So in contouring, instead of this, you're going to look straight into your mirror or into your camera. Then shade where you want the contour will be. Just look straight and then contour. If this part of your face is wide, don't forget to put contour on the temples. For the eyeshadow, use a light shade, tap off the excess, and when you're doing your eyeshadow, place it first on the part where it's close to your lash line. And then you'll blend your way up. And then take a smaller fluffy brush like this, get a darker shade, and place it here, again where it's close to your lash line. And also on the outer corner, just to extend the eye. Now get a small detail brush. Using the same darker shade, use it on the lower lids. If you are still struggling in doing your eyeliner, use a dark brown shade with this slanted brush. Then use this shade to line your eye. It's just to create an outline to where we will put our eyeliner after. This technique is very beginner friendly because if you made a mistake, you can just wipe it away. Since it's soft and cute, we're just following the natural line of our eyes. We're not going to draw it upwards, but a bit downwards. Don't forget the inner corner and then connect it. Do it on the other side as well. And after this, you can now use your eyeliner. I'll be using a gel eyeliner. Just gonna put it on where we put our dark brown eyeshadow. Just look at the difference. Now connect it on the lash line. Then using the same brush and the leftover product on this brush, we're gonna smudge the edges of the liner to make it look more natural. So this step is optional, so I'm just going to alter a bit my eyes. Looking straight, extend. This is just to extend further the eyes because I have a really big and round eyes. I'm going to use a nude liner. You have to do it very carefully. And then you can blend with eyeshadow. There. Now after you do your egg yolk, get a brown shade and fill this triangle area right here. Now curl your lashes first. So I'll be using this kind of lashes. Looks really natural. Place it near your lash root and pinch. Now for the blush, use any shade you want, or I'll be using a pink shade like this one. I'll be using a brush like this. Then look straight, put it here. Like that. Use it also on the nose, a bit on the nose bridge, on the chin. Next, this is a very important step, matte highlighting. Put it on the inner corners, downwards. On the nose bridge, tip of the nose. Also put it under the eyes. I also almost forgot the lower lashes. Since I can't draw lower lashes, I'll just use a mascara. For the lips, if you have two-toned lips like me, dab a concealer on the outer edges of your lips. Then using a lip liner, I have an asymmetrical face, so my lips are also asymmetrical. We're going to draw a lip, make it a bit fuller on this side. In the corners, and the cupid's bow. Then using this Maybelline Super Thin, it's just a nude shade. This is a base shade for the lips. Put it all over your lips. Then using a darker shade, put it on the inner side just to make it look more plump. Then using a lip gloss, this is from Odd Type. Use it as a gloss. And then lastly, eye highlighter. So I'll be using this Dior palette. Just gonna put it on the center of the nose, even on the sides, a bit on the nose bridge, and on the inner corners. And this is the final look. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you want to do another makeup tutorial, just let me know. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Bye! See you on my next video.